Hey, what? I've seen this. Shh. Huh. Ass. What? Never mind. You don't listen. Since when? Since always. Ah. Someone's coming. Act like a cat.
Yeah, I'll have him down in just. Chuck just had her head up her.
No, it's okay. Leave him alone. Probably good for
Meow. 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 Act real cute and he'll give us treats. Yeah, lie down.
I love Halloween. Yeah, I guess I know Ned better than you do. And now, I know you better than Ned does. So does Ned know what you think you know? I guess.
Is he getting the treat yet? Is he getting the treat? Not yet. Keep going.